We're almost there. Good morning guys, this is day 4 and we are heading towards the Tyrna to Nongriat trail. And en route we are going to explore so many things like the living root bridges, the famous double-decker root bridge, and of course the rainbow falls. So guys, let's go. So we have started our trek and we started descending the 3,500 steps. So I'll just show you around the route that we are going to follow. So we will be descending this valley down here, and these two mountains you can see. So we'll be traversing this mountain, and below the rock surface you can see the down right at the bottom there is Rainbow Falls. So that is going to be the end point. And throughout this route we are going to see multiple suspension bridges, multiple living root bridges, and the double-decker root bridge, and finally we'll be reaching Rainbow Falls. We are here at the double-decker root bridge, as you can see. It is said to be around 200 years old, and it's an interesting question that how these living root bridges are formed. So I spoke with few locals and we also did some research. So the hanging bridges of rubber fig trees, they are encouraged by the locals to twin with each other and go across a river stream. It's a process, they call it something inosculation, which generally mean that any two roots of two trees, they join with each other and they grow together. So with that process, it takes some years for a living root bridge to be able to sustain the weight of human beings. And as long as the tree is healthy, the living root bridges are healthy, and they will extend up to more than 500 years. So now we are heading towards the Rainbow Falls. Let's go. So this is the second suspension bridge that we'll be crossing. It is going to connect us to Rainbow Falls itself. Let's go. So this is the route to Rainbow Falls. You can see there is one more route which is coming from the above. So it is coming from Mawryngkhang. So there are two trails. You can come from Mawryngkhang as well, and you can come from Tyrna village as well. And you can choose to exit at either of the village. Come back to Tyrna or else go back to Mawryngkhang. We're almost there. Woo! Let's go. Here it is. Wow. So right now this is the closest that we are to the Rainbow Waterfall. We'll try to get a closer snap. Let's go. Eight. Oh.
Sao gọi người cắt ăn cắt lại cho lấy phạt.
High five.